Alright, my fellow rednecks. Grumpy old redneck here. This is my LS 225. And I had a little issue with the top link. So, that is the top link that came with it. If you notice, it is permanently set now because it decided to bend. So I ordered me a new top link, much heavier duty. Well, the problem was, it was too wide to fit in the pocket. I had to cut 2 millimeters off each side of this doodad. So it will definitely only go on one way now. But, I'll show y'all here. Zoom this out so you can see it a little better. Here's a new one. If I can get it on there. Sitting on the pin. Or the old one sitting on the pin next to the new one. Set to the same length. But you see how much thread's sticking out on this one compared to that one. Much sturdier. I probably won't bend that one just trying to drag the driveway. Anyway, I'm getting set to see about putting the Pat's quick hitch on here to make it much easier to get my implements on and off. And I'll show you all the results when I'm done. Alright, there's the Pat's quick hitch installed. It's as set up as I can get it. I think it's right. Had to run that top link out another 4 inches though to make it fit, because the quick hitch adds 4 inches to your drawbar. There's a view from behind. Everything looks like it's lined up, and it should make it easier to hook up now. Trying to do it in the shed was a little tricky though. Anyway, thanks for watching, and until next time, y'all be safe.